Hello friends, welcome to Jyotishan.com. Do you know which Adi Shakti temple is worshipped in the form of Udbhava Linga? It's none other than the sacred Mukambika Devi temple, an incarnation of Adi Shakti. So let's check out the famous temple in South India, which is also one of the 7 abodes of salvation created by Lord Parshurama. Kollur Mukambika temple is located in Dakshina Karnataka in the banks of the river Sauparnika. The goddess is in the form of Swayambhu. The interesting fact is that the Devi's idol is installed by Sri Adi Shankaracharya. It is set up on Sri Chakra Yantra and is considered as the most powerful form of Devi. There is a Shankara Pita on the western side of the temple sanctorum. Legend states that there are 2 main stories associated to this temple history. There was a demon named Kamsasuram, and he was disturbing the life on earth and was more powerful. Thereby, Devi successfully made Kamsasura dumb. This is how he started to be called Mukasuran. This name was given to him because Muka means dumb. Eventually, Parvati killed him with her chakra. This incident took place in the night of Shuklashtami. After this, Devi came to be popularly known as Kollur Devi Mukambika. The other interesting story is about Adi Shankaracharya, who used to worship goddess Saraswati. Impressed with his devotion, she appeared before him and she granted his wish to be present in Kerala, as there was no temple in her respect. Devi Saraswati accepted his wish based on one condition, that Adi Shankaracharya would have to lead her way to the destination. On the way, he cannot doubt and look back to confirm her presence even for one time. The moment he fails to keep this condition, Devi will just stop and remain exactly where she would be at that moment. However, the condition was accepted by Shankaracharya and they started their journey down the Kodashadri hills. He led the way and tinkling sound of the goddesses kept him sharp. Suddenly, the tinkling sound disappeared after they walked several distances. After waiting for some time, Shankara turned back to take a quick note of the goddesses who watched him. On the basis of the condition, Devi Saraswati stopped at that very moment and place. Without losing all hopes, he consistently pleaded and begged the goddesses to come along with him. The goddesses was ultimately very impressed to see his determination and she agreed to go with him. She is present in Kerala at Chottanikara temple in the morning and returns to Kollur Mukambika temple by midday. So the place where goddesses stopped is Kollur Mukambika temple. Special feature of this temple is the Devi is represented in the form of a lingam. The left side of the linga embodies the 3 Shaktis, Mahakali, Mahalakshmi and Mahasaraswati. The right side personifies the Trimurtis, Shiva, Vishnu and Brahma. A golden line separates the 2 sides. Navratri festival is celebrated as a huge occasion here, with the highlight being the Vijayadashmi celebration. Besides this, the temple's annual festival happens during March to April. Hope you all liked our today's video on Kollur Mukambika temple. So do visit this shrine on your trip to Mangalore and experience the everlasting harmony. Thank you.